Hi everyone. So for tonight's homework, and then also going forward in the future, there will be more assignments like this. The assignment is actually embedded into Schoology through OneDrive. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how that works. So you would find it in our class. So whether you're in Group A or Group B, and then you go to the date. So this is today. And then, so for the feedback form, you would click it, and then it'll look like this. So from your end, what you'll do is you'll hit My Document, and then this will load if you wait a minute, but you can hit Edit, and then you can just fill it in right here. So it'll open a new copy for you. You just fill it in directly here. You don't have to download the document. So you would type your name. So I'm Sierra Thomas. And then what hour you're in. So say you're in second hour. And then rank. You can either delete these or highlight. So you could go through and fill all of this in. And then when you're done, this automatically saves. It says saved here. So you would just exit this out and then you just have to submit it. So once you do that, it'll look blank here. If you are worried, you can click edit again. It'll show you your answers that you typed in. But then again, you just exit it out, but you have to submit it. So you just hit submit assignment, submit once you're all done with it. And then it'll say that it's successfully submitted. So then you are done, you're good. Um, and that's how you do that. So again, you just go to our class, find whichever group you're in, the correct day, the feedback form. You are going to do my document. You have to edit it. You're going to type it in. This is a different one. Now I'm in group B, so the answers didn't save, but you'll type it in. When you're done, exit it out, and then you just hit submit. And then I'll be able to see that you submitted it with your answers. So you only do this once, whether you're in group A or group B. Just edit it, type all the answers. When you're done, just close it, hit submit, and I should get your answers. Let me know if you have any questions. Gracias. Adios.